Good morning, dear Swissies. Today we do a little Reco-Reise to Bern to check out the cherry blossom trees there. It is about 1 hour from Brienz, so not too long. And I hope that we will find some nice pinky blossoms. Look mal, the red mountain over there, this is Niesen. Wow, look at the morning light, vrienden. Huh? Yeah. Oh, you see the two balloons? Mutter,
Metern biegen Sie im Kreisverkehr rechts ab.
You see the
Erste
balloons?
Ausfahrt.
Oh, what a feeling over there. Huh? So nice. We are already in Bern now. Ah, Heißluftballon. Sagt man dann bei uns. We are driving now in the city
Nach
of Bern.
200 Metern halten Sie sich links.
Madam is immer aan het reinschnurren. Yeah, I'm searching for the
Halten Sie sich links.
parking place to the cherry blossom trees. Yeah, I'm soon there.
Nach 200
So we
Metern
are here.
biegen Sie im Kreisverkehr rechts ab. Erste
I
Ausfahrt. Dann
already see
Ankunft.
the trees. Look at all.
Biegen Sie im Kreisverkehr.
Yeah,
Erste Ausfahrt. Dann Ankunft.
we are now in the city of Bern. This is such a beautiful city for a city. It's still a city, but it is a beautiful one. Yeah. Oh, look at all the balloons there. Nice. So we are just walking to the Rosengarten. Laten we da mal einen Blick hineinwerfen. Huh? This is very, very famous in Bern. Yeah, in the early morning there's no one here. But in the evenings you should check the webcam. There's plenty of people. Oh, look how schön. Ja, lekker Bobby. Wow. Das ist mal ein Allee, du. Rasta is with me, but he has to be on the leash. Yeah, so we go to another place where he can run free. Huh? Schau mal die schönen Osterglocken. So now this is the better place for Rasta. Here he is allowed to run free. Look mal das schöne Bern. Huh? This is the capital city of Switzerland. Yeah. Look, daar hebben we een bird. I've ordered for you. Ah, the cherry trees. And the balloons. And the city of Bern. Nice. At this place, when you go on sunset, it is full. You have no meter for you. Yeah. So that's why we are here in the early morning. we go back to Rosengarten itself. It is a really, really nice area. Müsst ihr euch wirklich mal antun. Yeah. With nice flowers. And a nice fountain. Schau mal, wie schön. Huh? Yeah, and the best time to go is early in the morning. The best time to take pictures and videos is in the evening, but you won't have the evening for your own. Here we are back at the Osterglocken, the Easter bells. I don't know the name in English, but we call them Osterglocken. Yeah, you see, so many benches for so many benches. Yeah, it was a little Swiss-German joke. And you know, of course, of the name Rosengarten. They have many roses, but of course they are not blooming yet. It's too cold and too early. Yeah, but soon, woo, everything is full of roses. So that was probably not Rasta's favorite trip, but for me it was perfect. Huh, Rasta? Yeah, I know, but sometimes we need to do stuff like this, yeah? To show the people something different. Hey, yeah. Come on, next trip is for you. Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. And we say goodbye to Rosengarten in Bern.